Hey everyone, it's Megan Duggan here. I am an independent consultant with Arbonne, and tonight I am going to be demonstrating our Genius Ultra device. I do YouTube videos, and a few videos back, there was a comment left from somebody that would like a demonstration on the Ultra device and how it works and the benefits from using this device. So tonight, that's what I'm going to do. So as you can tell, I just got out of the shower, if the towel didn't give you any indication, of course. But I just got out of the shower and I exfoliated and cleansed my face. And then that's basically all I did. So I did that. And then what I'm going to be doing is kind of following my nightly or morning routine for my skincare. So I'm going to be using the RE9 Advanced System for anti-aging, which actually helps with fine lines, wrinkles, healthy glow of the skin. So after I cleansed and exfoliated my face, I'm going to come back in with our toner, and that's just going to be basically setting the pH balance and bringing it back to a neutral pH and correcting that. Okay, so just 2 sprays on my face. Then I'm going to come in with our Intensive Renewal Serum. And this product, I'm just going to put a little bit in. And I'm actually not going to fully rub this product in. I'm just going to put it kind of all over my face in different areas. And then I'm actually going to be bringing in our Corrective Eye Cream. And I'm going to put that right underneath my eyes. And again, I'm not going to be rubbing this product in because the Genius Ultra device will do that for me. So now that that is on there, and I do have some on this eye, I'm going to be bringing in my Genius Ultra device. So this product does have a power button and it does have an intensity button. It will vibrate a little and the head of it will warm up. And you're just going to bring it in areas that you want to focus on in just circular motions. The machine will turn on for 1 minute and then turn off by itself. And in certain areas, so if you have under eye problems, you want to concentrate on that area no more than 3 applications, so up to 3 minutes in that area. What this product does is it emits ultrasonic waves out of the head of this product, and basically what you're going to do is when you're using it to apply your products, those ultrasonic waves help the product go deeper into the epidermis of the skin, reaching the 2nd level, where if you do it with your fingers, you're just reaching that topical level, which will work. It'll just take longer for the products to work and show results, where this actually speeds up that process. Lots of people use it for fine lines around their mouth, perhaps right here in the middle of their forehead, maybe even on their neck, or to increase the brightness underneath your eyes, maybe the crow's feet around your eyes, and reduce puffiness from the eye cream product. Other uses, you could also use this for any scarring, so perhaps you have stretch marks or acne scars. You can definitely use this and it will help. It's not going to eliminate them, but it's going to greatly reduce the visibility of those lines and scars and everything. So again, I'm just going to turn on this product. You can see the lights there, and you can tell when you feel it, you can feel it working. And again, I'm just going to go back in circular motions. And again, when you don't blend the product in, it helps the glide on the wand here. And you just go back and forth in circular motions in the same area for up to 3 applications. So it really depends on you. And a great thing that you can do is evening or morning. If you're watching TV, perhaps just bring this out because it's very quick to do. You can use it any areas on your face. And it's very simple. And it doesn't heat up too much. It's a nice warm sensation. And you can't really even feel it vibrating. The vibration is basically there just so you know that the product it's actually on. So that's done. That's a full minute. Then I'm just going to go to the other side. And something great that you could do in the morning to get that more natural glow is we just launched in Vegas our prep work line. And we actually launched the under eye gel pads, which are right here. So if you're getting up in the morning, what I would do personally is cleanse my face, put the under eye pads on, go about getting maybe your smoothie or whichever ready. Once that's done, take the eye pads off, put serum over the rest of your face and some under eye cream, and then use this, and the results are going to be fantastic. And again, done. So again, I would use it here to get rid of any lines on my forehead, in between my eyebrows, around my crow's feet here, perhaps around your lip area, or anywhere you see fine lines, wrinkles, or any scarring that you want to reduce. I would use this product. There is a great incentive as well. If you hit a qualifying order, you can order this product for only $124 Canadian, which regularly this retails for $350 on its own. So that is an amazing deal. If you have any interest in using this product or wanting more information on it, leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to send you any more information. And don't forget, we do have a 45-day return policy. So if you order this along with any other products from Arbonne and you're not fully satisfied, you can return your product up to 45 days and either replace it with something else or get your money back. There's no other stores that I know of that will do that for you. So definitely take advantage if you are at all interested. Then what I'm going to follow up after I do that is, if it's during the day, I'm going to use our day cream. And if it's at night, I'm going to use our renewal night cream. And then I'm set for the day and all ready to go. So again, if you guys have any questions at all, feel free, leave the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos from me. And I hope you all have a great evening. Have a good night. Bye now.